wrote that
They
article.
probably didn't. We hadn't seen that show on television, we wouldn't know.
No.
Well, we would, 'cause you saw one.
Yeah, I saw it. I was standing right there and I saw it.
Oh my gosh, you're just flying everywhere. You're just going crazy.
So cool. Woo! I wonder if that, did they say they timed them, how fast they can fly? I bet they can go 80 miles an hour.
Oh, well, they certainly do dive bomb, I know that. $190 million.
Whoa.
Which turns out to be not even 10% of the net profit they made last season.
That's just,
Are we nuts?
yeah. We're nuts.
It was going to cost them billions if it wasn't for those guys settled out for it. Yeah, she's right in the tree.
You can watch her everywhere she goes.
Mm-hmm.
I would think that would not be good if I would not be fair.
Well, there's 3 of them about the same size right there.
Oh, and he almost fell backwards. Trying to get out of the way.
There's a fat one. Oh, now he's gone now. It's gone now. I can see a whole bunch in the tree over there.
They're just a tree.